let's add a little bit of fun with the coin. Public static constant. Oh, what's this? Max speed. Oh, but it's on the coin. Let's set that equal to 200 as well. Now let's make it a little slower so he can catch coins if he misses them. Alright, now when he's added, we want to choose a random location around the screen to add this guy. So let's set as X. Well, let's choose if we want him to go. Nah, we'll just do horizontal coins. He's got to go up and down to get them. So if fp.random Alright, and the rand function gives us a uint. So we can say if fp_rand2, and that's basically going to choose a number between 1 or 2. Or is either going to choose the number 1 or the number 2. If it's greater than 0, sorry, not 1 or 2, 0 or 1. If it's greater than 0, then let's put him on the right side of the screen. Otherwise, let's put him on the left side of the screen. So this means that we're going to need another variable to manage the direction of him. So protected, current speed, number. Okay. We'll go ahead and initialize current speed when it's constructed. So we'll say fp dot, we'll set the X location of the coin equal to our stage width. So that means all the way to the side of the screen, plus an additional half width. So he's completely off the screen. We don't want to see this guy when he spawns in. And we're going to set our current speed equal to negative max speed, because we need that coin to come zoop it across the screen. Otherwise, X is going to equal negative half width, and our current speed is going to equal max speed. Now we also need to choose a random location along the y-axis. So let's say y equals fp.rand, and notice that I'm using whole numbers here and not a floating point. That's just to keep things lined up on the pixel grid. But once stuff gets moving, it doesn't really matter. So we want to generate something that's fp.height. This means that it'll spawn either at 0 or at the very end. But we don't want it to spawn halfway on screen, because that's not really fair. So we'll subtract from that the height of the player. And then we'll add the half height to push him down. You check the math, it'll work out. Alright, so now he's going to spawn in a random location, and that's fine, but the coin's not going to move. So we could put the movement for the coin in our game world, but if we're going to have a bunch of coins on screen, we don't want the game world to have to worry about all that. So let's go ahead and override the coins update function. This can be very simple. X plus equals fp.elapsed times current speed. Let's see what happens. Oh, Dudered. I dudered that coin. Let's play it again. That was a fun game. Ooh, dudered. Let's try it. Oh man, I'm getting addicted to this. Ooh, dudered. So this, I mean, this isn't. Oh, it's up there that time. That was a twist. Dudered it though, because I'm pretty good. If we miss it though, our coin's just going to keep going. Undudered. No, it's gone now. I don't know where it went, but it's not coming back, and that's sad.